Hi, and welcome to Clappia. In this video, we learn how to use the Video Viewer block available in Clappia. The Video Viewer block allows users to watch videos directly within the app. This can be useful for embedding training materials, sharing product demos, recapping events, and so on. Let's see how to do this with the help of a simple example. In my dashboard, I've started to create a training app called Employee Onboarding. So I'll click on it and I've just added a few fields. Now let's say I want to include a training video that directly appears in the app. For that, we'll go to Design App. You can see all the earlier fields. Now I'll click on Add Field and select Video Viewer. This block can be configured on the right-hand panel. First, I'll name this field, let's say Training Module. Next, we have Description. If you enter some text here, and save it, the description will appear at the bottom of this field. You can also leave this blank if not needed. And then you have Attach Files. This is where I'll upload the video file. You can drag and drop the video file from your system or click to upload a video. Let's say I select this video. Now over here it says it exceeds the maximum limit of 10 MB. So do keep in mind that your video files are less than 10 MB. If you need this limit to be extended, you can reach out to Clappia's support team by raising a request, and we'll get back to you. If you want to replace your file, you can simply click on it and select the file that does not exceed the limit. So let's say I select this one. The file has been uploaded and this block supports all video formats such as MP4, AVI, MOV, etc. If I upload an unsupported format, I'll get an error message. I'll save this and you can see it has appeared over here. Let's check it out in App Home. Once you open your app, the video automatically starts playing. You can pause the video, maximize the screen, download this file, change the playback speed if needed, and enter picture-in-picture mode to keep the video in a movable window while using other parts of the app. Now, what if I want this block to appear only for certain conditions? For example, if the type is selected as beginner, only then would I like this video to appear in the app and not for the other options. Such display conditions can be given to this block. So going back to Design App, for the video viewer's right panel, I'll go to the Advanced section. Here we have Display this field if, and you can implement logic and conditions similar to spreadsheet. If you're familiar with using spreadsheet logic or conditions, you can implement them over here since Clappia shares a similar library. But in place of cell numbers, we have variable names which you can use to pull up field values dynamically over here. So as I mentioned, if the type is beginner, then this block should be displayed. So if @type, which corresponds to this field, equals to beginner, then it should display this field. I'll save it and let's go to App Home to check it out. You can now see that the video viewer block no longer appears in the app, but if I select beginner as the option, it appears and not for the other options. Now, if you have a similar use case and you have other videos to appear based on other options, then you can add more video viewer blocks to your app and give similar conditions for those blocks. You can also change the block width to increase or decrease the size of the video, like so. Now this video block will also be available on the Clappia mobile app. If you haven't downloaded it already, you can do so either on Play Store or App Store. And the moment you create any apps, it'll be live and ready to use over there as well. And your videos that you have uploaded will be visible in the app as well for your users to view. If you were to make a submission, let's say I've given some random details and click on Submit, you can view all your submissions under the Submissions tab. Users can also do so if they have the appropriate permissions. The video is also captured. This block is ideal for providing visual content in your apps, whether it is for training purposes, customer demos, internal communications. It depends on your requirements. However, if you need to display file formats other than videos, such as PDFs or images, then you can use the Attach Files block or the other appropriate viewer blocks. Or if you want your users to be able to upload their own files, then you can use the Camera Images and Files block. If you have any query on how to configure this block or on any other feature in Clappia, you can always click on this button over here to request support and select the appropriate option that is convenient for you, and we'll get in touch. Thank you.